Okay, i-target market yethu is anyone onekhaya, anyone ozizwa ukuthi angikho safe mina. And into emnandi senzile ke njengomakhulukhulu, most companies when bezokunikeza ama-services security bafuna imali ngaleso sikhathi. Thina sithi njengomakhulukhulu protection sizoza kuwena noma wena futhi uzoza kuthina sixoxisane ukuthi ngiyayifisa ikhamera, ngiyayifisa i-alarm, ngiyayifisa ipanic, kodwa manje imali iyangishaya. So siyakwazi ke lapho ukuthi sikunikeze u3 months to pay, ukhokha u50% kunyanga yokuqala bese inyangeni yesibili neyesithathu uqedela the remaining balance. So sikwazi uku-accommodate umuntu omdala osekhaya, kuwugogo osekhaya mhlawumbe oretayile, umuntu osempeshenini, umuntu futhi osebenza umsebenzi ongathi izinto eziningi mhlawumbe angikwazi uku-afforda. So we're trying to cater almost for anyone o-affectekile ku-crime. Sinane panic la kamakhulukhulu protection. So i-panic yona umehluko wayo ukuthi signeza kune button elihamba nayo the whole system. So lel button, if anything happens uyalipressa, and then the moment ulipressa liya khala ebase yethu or sithi e-control room where bababona ukuthi there is something going on ekhaya lakho noma ebhizinisini lakho, then bayakwazi ukuthuma ama-reaction ukuthi ahambe aye ekhaya ayobheka umonakalo owenzekile. So into emnandi ngayo ke-panic button ulala nayo, unayo ekhishini, anywhere la ukhona, so that uzokulipressa nje kuphela then liyakhala i-panic button, then they are able to come ukuzokusiza inkinga obhekene nayo. So ngoba bengishilo ukuthi imakhulukhulu protection, inhloso yethu was to work with the community, was for us to develop a relationship nabo na umphakathi. Sisabona ukuthi yazini since singaba segama lakhe, u-director wethu ngwasegama lakhe, asihambe siyonikela kumphakathi, asisebenzisane futhi namaphoyisa asegama lakhe. So sabona indlela i-crime eyiyona, sabona ke ukuthi no, as umakhulukhulu protection asithole i-CPF imoto esizohamba siyogiva away to umphakathi ukuze sikwazi ukulwisana nobugebengu, siphinde sikwazi ukusebenzisana namaphoyisa. So sinanomuntu wethu la emakhulukhulu protection o-driver yona imoto otholwa anytime egama lakhe kunenkinga, and u-based khona impela egama lakhe akayindawo. So uhlala khona, usebenzisana namaphoyisa, usebenzisana even i-forum to make sure ukuthi if anything happens kunemoto ezo-responda fast, and kunemoto ekhona to assist i-CPF, to even assist i-forum. So sasifuna ukusebenzisana kahle nayo i-community even namaphoyisa ukuze sinikele emphakathini, sikwazi ukuthi sibambisane silwe nobugebengu. Ela nje ukwenza i-example, ukhona isine-classified esegama lakhe. So anytime bebe nama-events beza la emakhulukhulu protection to make sure ukuthi ama-guest wabo, i-property, anything e-classified is safe. So we make sure thina kahle kahle sizokunikeza i-peace of mind as umakhulukhulu protection to make sure ukuthi even une-event ubize u-black coffee but you are safe because we have umakhulukhulu protection. So we do work nabantu abahosta ama-events to make sure ukuthi event yakho is a success, and futhi there is even safety kuyona event yakho. So we do have ama-security armed and we have ama-security unarmed. So kuba ngawo ukuthi ufisa nhlobo nama-security azoba kuleyo event yakho bese singineza wona. Imbuzo ke ejwayele ukubuza abantu, umbuzo wokuqala ukuthi siqasha nini. So uma siqasha ke siyaposta, uyasithola umakhulukhulu protection ku Facebook. Ama-post siyaposta khona ukuze abantu babe aware ukuthi sine post ekhona siyaqasha kwamakhulukhulu protection. Umbuzo wesibili obuzwa kakhulu ukuthi mina ngiseThekwini but ngiyafisa ukusebenzela umakhulukhulu, ungasifonela, sine control room engavalwa 24/7. So uma usifonela uthi useMaritzburg sizokunikeza nje i-address, sikunikeze futhi nenamba yakhona ukwazi ukuthi uhambise i-CV yakho noma useMaritzburg. As umakhulukhulu protection, ama-job opportunities asevulekeke kakhulu ngalendlela ukuthi even ama-securities now are over 300 i-KZN nje. I-branch yethu we not only based la eMagate, sikhona eMaritzburg uyasithola eRichards Bay, uyasithola futhi eNewcastle. So i-opportunity iningi kakhulu not only for thina eSouth Coast but sivulele amathuba even khona kwezinye indawo njengazo lezi ebengichaza oRichards Bay, oMaritzburg, eNewcastle. Akukho nje okudingakala ongaka uma udinga i-protection yethu ukusifonela nje. Ngenze nje i-example, sike safonela usisi ethi uyashada eBhethani, umkhwenyana usuka eGoli, usowudinga ama-bodyguard. So wasithinta through i-forum, kuba ngisho ukuthi sisebenzisana nama-communities. Kuyenzeka umuntu aye ku-forum and then i-forum izothi no, ngoba udinga ama-bodyguard nayi makhulukhulu ngoba sisebenzisana nabo. Wasithinta lo muntu loyo, saxoxisana, sihlala nawe phansi sibone ukuthi udingani ukuze sikunikeze lento sidinga and senze sure ukuthi safety siyihambisa phambili, ngoba i-priority yethu is for you ukuthi ube safety and then to give you peace of mind even to umshado. So ukusifonela nje usichazele wena kabanzi ukuthi yini oyidingayo, then thina sixoxisane ngama-payment ukuthi this is how much ozoyikhokha ukuze yonke lento oyidingayo yenzakale. Okay, uyakwazi ukusi-emailela at info@makhulukhuluprotection.co.za and uyakwazi ukusithola ku-Facebook la sikwazi khona to engage with the community and to make sure ukuthi anyone who under South Coast, even outside South Coast, is able to see ukuthi umakhulukhulu awaphi ama-services esinawo. So uma uzohamba ku-Facebook umakhulukhulu protection, so uyakwazi ukusithola kanjalo. Akukho la esingangeni khona sisebenzisana nomasipala abaningi, sisebenzisana nama-communities amaningi, so we are the next billionaire.